Let's get this out of the way. If you are still looking for better engine in 2026, you are already asking the wrong question because Unreal and Unity aren't competing on features anymore. They are competing on what kind of developer they turn you into, and that actually matters. Let me explain without the fanboy stuff. If you open Unity in 2026, it still feels like a workshop, lightweight, flexible, a little empty until you decide what the game is, which is great and also dangerous because Unity gives you freedom before direction. So a lot of developers end up over engineering, reinventing systems, spending months deciding how things should work instead of shipping something that does work. Unity reward people who like control and are comfortable building structure themselves. If that's you, Unity still makes a lot of sense. Now Unreal in 2026 feels less like a workshop and more like a factory floor, heavy, opinionated, already full of system you didn't ask for, which is again powerful but also dangerous because Unreal gives you structure before understanding. So a lot of developers end up leaning on built-in systems, copying workflow they don't fully grasp, shipping things that look impressive but feel fragile underneath. Unreal rewards people who can work within constraint and still make clear decisions. So here's the real difference nobody wants to admit. Unity fails quietly. You can waste years of building scaffolding that never becomes a game. Unreal fails loudly. Performance issue, complexity, scope explosion, different engine, different failure modes. And here's why this matters for you. Because neither engine will save you from bad habits. If you avoid finishing things, both engine will happily support that. If you rely on tutorial instead of reasoning, both engine will let you coast, just in a different way. If you chase visual over design, both engine will reward you early and punish you later. Engine are very polite in that way. So real question in 2026 isn't which engine is better, it's which engine punishes my weakness faster. Unity punishes indecision. Unreal punishes over ambition. Pick the one that keeps you honest. And here's the part most people won't tell you. The developer who wins in 2026 aren't loyal to engine. They are loyal to finishing. They know how to cut scope, debug calmly, ship imperfectly, and adapt when tools change. Those skills transfer, engine don't. So if you are choosing between Unreal and Unity right now, stop asking which one is safer and ask which one forced me to confront the way I actually work, because that engine that will make you better. If this helps you think more clearly, hit like so it reaches devs who stuck in engine war hell. Subscribe if you want game dev talk without hype, fear, or corporate cheerleading. In 2026, the engine won't define you, your habit will. So pick accordingly.